Hey guys, this is Kirsten with Warehouse 71, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your composite or PVC deck to get it ready for summer. Last summer, I helped my parents clean off their TimberTech deck to get it ready for all the summer parties, and here's what we did. To get started, you're going to need a few household items. First, you'll need a leaf blower. You'll also need a hose, a bucket and some dish soap, a scrub brush, and a little bit of elbow grease. Step 1 is to remove all the furniture, pots, and appliances from your deck. You want to have a clear surface to work with. Next, use your leaf blower or broom to brush off all of the leaves, debris, and other loose dirt and items that might be hanging out on the surface of your deck. Step 2, you're going to spray a small section of your deck with some water, maybe 15 feet by 15 feet. You're going to scrub that portion of the deck with soapy water and the scrub brush. Then you're going to wash away all the suds and dirt before this section dries. Washing your deck is best done in the early morning or in the evening when the deck is cool. You don't want to be doing this in the direct sunlight in the heat because the suds and the soap will dry onto your deck and could affect the finish. Look at the dirt and grime just get washed away. This is like one of those satisfying cleaning videos. Step 3, you're going to want to use the hose to wash in between the boards and try to remove any dirt and debris that's built up in between the boards that's sitting on the joists. This will help your deck last longer. Step 4, wow, look at the difference between these boards. I'm so happy with how this turned out. Now take a good once over of your deck and see if you missed any spots before you put everything away. Step 5, let your deck dry completely before replacing any furniture, pots, and appliances. Once you put everything back together, you can enjoy your deck with your friends and family all summer long. You can also power wash your deck if you don't want to scrub it, but there are specific recommendations from the manufacturers to make sure that you don't damage the surface of your deck. We recommend you look those up or look at our blog before power washing your deck. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more DIY tips with Warehouse 71. Premium building materials at closeout prices.